Disabling two-factor authentication on Zelle can help streamline your payment process. Follow these steps to turn off this security feature. Step 1. Open the Zelle app. Launch the Zelle application on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon or found in your profile section. Look for options related to security or account management. Step 3. Locate two-factor authentication. In the settings menu, find the section dedicated to two-factor authentication. This may be labeled as security settings or two-step verification. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Select the option to disable or turn off two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to confirm your decision, so follow any on-screen instructions to proceed. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling the feature, check for a confirmation message indicating that two-factor authentication has been successfully turned off. It is a good idea to review your account settings to ensure everything is as you want it. By following these steps, you can easily disable two-factor authentication on Zelle. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and regular monitoring.